Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for September 26th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, a lot of pressure on equities today across the board selling. The Dow was down 166 points by the close, while the S&P was down 18.5 points, and the Nasdaq was down 48. Now, most of this was due to concerns about Deutsche Bank. Deutsche Bank, real problem here, in some trouble, and government coming out and saying, German government coming out saying that the likelihood of them bailing them out here is highly unlikely at this point. So they're pretty much on their own, and that, I think, put a lot of pressure on these markets, no question about it. The other item on the agenda that really pressured equities today was the political uncertainty. The debate is tonight, of course, as you must know, Trump versus Hillary at 9 p.m. Eastern tonight. A lot of people are going to be watching that very closely. Of course, if the likelihood of a Trump victory improves here, I think we'll see more and more pressure on stocks, only because the political landscape will be a little more uncertain with him in power than it would be with Hillary. With Hillary, I think everyone knows what to expect, and so that wouldn't really pressure equities as much. Having said that, if you really look at today's trading and you look at the volume behind it, there really wasn't much volume here. So, this isn't something to really worry about right now. Take a deep breath, relax, and remember, if you look at the weekly charts here, they still look pretty good. Look at the Dow on the weekly. Here the S&P 500, a lot of momentum behind this up move. This looks really good. Nothing to worry about just yet. So this is just, one day. We'll take it one day at a time here. We'll see how the debate goes today. But certainly nothing to really worry about. Bonds today had a decent day, up 87 cents here. And don't forget about gold and silver. As a hedge, if the markets go lower, I think gold and silver will certainly help out in the long run. And if you look at both of these on a weekly, they look really nice. Look at that up move on gold. I think there's a lot more to come here. And even if we look at silver on a weekly, looking real nice. Just bouncing off that 20 recently here, and often it goes to new highs. It certainly looks like it wants to continue moving up here back towards those new highs. So don't forget about gold and silver here. Crude today also having a decent day. Let me go back to the daily on this. Bit of a bounce here. Up $1.45 at the close, giving some up since then, but at today's official close, it was up $1.45. So let's see how that debate goes. Remember, the more likely it is for a Hillary win, the less concern there will be out there. So we'll see who gets the upper hand in tonight's debate. Should be real interesting. I'll be watching, that's for sure. And then we'll see how the markets react tomorrow. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.